Hello everyone! In this video, I will teach you on how to join the official Blade Bow Roblox server to get codes. Just scroll down to the bottom of your server list on Discord and click on the plus icon to add a server. Now, from here, select the option to join a server. Type discord.gg/ followed by the link number 7 capital HN number 9 M Z V T M lowercase a. Click on Join Server, and it will take you to the official Roblox Blade Bow server. And then, there you will find all the codes right here. And there you have it. You've successfully joined the official Blade Bow Roblox server to get codes. If you have any questions or concerns, just type on the comment section and we'll try to help you out. If you find this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see ya! Thanks for watching.